Most home service businesses know referrals are important. The problem is they don't have a referral system. Instead, they have referral hope. They hope happy customers tell their friends. They hope people remember their name. They hope referrals show up. And while that does happen occasionally, hope is not a growth strategy. The businesses that consistently generate referrals don't rely on chance. They build a system. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 5-step referral system every home service business needs. Whether you're in HVAC, roofing, plumbing, landscaping, pest control, or another service industry, these 5 steps can help you generate more referrals without spending more money on advertising. Let's get started. Step 1. Deliver an experience worth talking about. This sounds obvious, but it's where everything begins. No referral program can fix a bad customer experience. If you want referrals, your customers need to be genuinely happy with the service they received. That means showing up on time, communicating clearly, doing quality work. The best referral marketing strategy in the world won't work if the customer isn't excited about the outcome. Referrals start with trust, and trust starts with delivering a great experience. Step 2, ask for a review immediately. Most businesses wait too long. The best time to ask for a review is when the customer is happiest, right after the job is completed, not a month later, not 6 months later, right away. Why? Because positive reviews create momentum. When a customer leaves a review, they're publicly saying they trust your company, and customers who trust your company are much more likely to refer someone they know. Think of reviews as the bridge between customer satisfaction and referrals. If you're not consistently asking for reviews, you're missing one of the easiest opportunities to increase referral activity. Step 3, ask for the referral. This is where most businesses fail, not because customers don't want to refer, because nobody asks. Many business owners feel uncomfortable asking for referrals. But here's the reality. Happy customers often want to help. They just need a simple way to do it. Instead of saying, "Do you know anyone who needs our services?" Try something like, "If you have any friends, neighbors, or family members who could benefit from our services, we'd love the opportunity to help them too." Simple and professional. The goal is to make referrals easy and natural. Step 4, track every referral. This is where things start getting interesting. Most businesses have no idea where their referrals actually come from. They rely on memory, sticky notes, spreadsheets, or conversations that happen months after the fact. That's a problem, because if you don't track referrals, you can't improve them. You don't know which customers send the most referrals, which referrals become paying customers, how much revenue your referral program generates. The businesses that win are the businesses that track. Every referral should enter a system. Every lead should be monitored. Every result should be measured. What gets measured gets improved. Step 5, reward and recognize your advocates. This is the step most businesses skip. When someone sends you business, acknowledge it and thank them. Reward them when appropriate. The reward doesn't always have to be huge. Sometimes it's a gift card, sometimes it's account credit, sometimes it's a simple thank you message. People repeat what gets rewarded. When customers feel appreciated, they're more likely to refer again. Over time, those customers become advocates, and advocates become one of your most valuable sources of new business. Now let's put all 5 steps together. First, deliver an amazing customer experience. Second, request a review. Third, ask for the referral. Fourth, track the referral. And fifth, reward the people who help your business grow. That's the referral flywheel. And the more consistently you run that flywheel, the more referrals you'll generate. The truth is, most home service businesses don't need more leads. They need a better system for capturing the opportunities they already have. Your happiest customers are already your best marketing channel. The question is whether you're giving them a process that makes referrals easy. If you'd like to see what a complete referral system looks like in action, visit referralmomentum.com and click on the free demo. You'll see how businesses can generate referral links, track leads through the pipeline, measure referral revenue, and reward customers who help grow the business. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more strategies on referrals, reviews, and customer retention and growing your home service business. And remember, referrals don't happen by accident, they happen by design.